When you navigate to Gmail, you may getting the "Oops, something went wrong. Recent changes may not have been saved" error in Gmail. As you see here, I'm getting same error when navigating in Gmail. However, let's do the fun fix together. Click the settings to open Gmail settings. It will open the quick settings panel. Then click See All Settings. In the Settings page, go to the Inbox tab. From the Inbox Type drop-down list, change Inbox Type from Default to Important first. Scroll down and find the Save Changes button. Then click Save Changes. That's it. You can see the error is gone. Several recent users reported this fun fix surprisingly solved the issue when nothing else worked. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more quick tech tutorials here on How to Tech Hub.